fucking do. For some of you who don't know, I've been building this into a rally car for my bare shell, and one of the things with it being a ex-drag car, that was a shell, it has no boot floor, so it's literally got self-tappers here and also here. So what we've done is we've got a boot floor, because even though this is not a structural part and there's no hardened metal in the back here, it's not really ideal. Yes, the chassis legs go here and here, but we kind of need a boot floor, so we've got a boot floor. We are going to where the red car sat. Oh my god, the jacks are still here from when we did it. They've never moved. Oh, it still works. That is a boss jack. Look, this is where the red one sat for so long.
You loaded this up with useful shit?
Yeah, we did.
Oh,
useful. MGZR. 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 MGZR ring. Yeah, we need these. Please no mice been eaten. Please, please, please. Please don't be mouse eaten. We're winning. We're on a win, boys. Let me have a look at the back of
on this one, but there's spider webs.
Yeah. Dude, they survived, thank God. Okay, these are gonna come back home because those are going into the ZR. I need to chop this whole section here. I need this entire piece just out. Oh! You woke him up! Buddy. Look, he's looking at his massive fang. Holy shit, don't the spiders eat each other?
Yeah.
Bro, what the fuck did you do to him? Why did you do that? Oh, his leg's too strong. His car's too strong. Oh shit, it's a Rolls Royce. Race car. Oh. Alright, so it's an RX-8 now, it's got suicide doors. Not really the chrome. Wait, what the fuck? Wait, what the fuck is... They never did that before. Wait, what is it? How do we engineer it to do this? No. Wait.
Yes, it's that. You fucking moron.
Oh my god, it's the fuel tank wiring. Oh. Yeah. I need this seat because the seat rails on my other seats is fucked. So we need this.
The rusty stuff.
Yeah, I know, but the rusty stuff is the good stuff. So we need one of those.
Okay, drums.
Those are drums from the ZR, like originally. Oh no. Ah! Dude, there was actually a guy who needed that. Basically, Felix fell out with the guy, and he knows he's gonna watch this YouTube video. I remember that! Holy shit!
It's not broken either.
The Holy Grail! Holy! This can be yours for £9.95. Come and buy it now. Oh, that was out of the blue ZR. That was covering up the 6x9 holes. This was the 5th gear lockout that basically stopped Andy Nichols from shifting into 5th gear when he was trying to... Right. I'm firing the fucking beast up now. Fuck me. Right, my hand is right by the angle grinder. I'll fucking die out. Right, that'll do. That'll fucking do. We've cut the boot floor out all the way along here. Now what we need to do is, well, we've made our incisions here and there, and now we need to use our massive 2-ton grinder, mini hobby grinder, to chop the this part back here. We'll be proud.
Just give it a little incision. Yeah, just gentle one.
Dude, you made light work of that though. The car is now been rolled back over again, and we have now taken out the boot floor. It is all removed now, including the structural part for the exhaust that's supposed to hang off. So yeah, I didn't want to make a new piece of metal, and there is loads of metal here. Is it perfect? No. Is it good? Yeah, it's half decent. So there's these all big mash marks here where I just hammered it, you know, just feathered in those edges, you know, just really got the body line. If I was to really be stupid about this, yes, I would hammer down these high spots. I'd actually get in there with like a smaller hammer and shit, and I'd actually take my time with it, but am I gonna bother? No, because legit, what's the point? It's a goddamn wheel well.